If you're experiencing issues with Valorant's multiplayer functionality, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve connectivity issues and refresh your session. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in the right client and install them, as outdated versions can lead to multiplayer problems. Step 4. Verify internet connection. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Valorant. You may need to add Valorant to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the multiplayer issues in Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.